Hello and welcome to another exciting episode from Thank Studio. As promised, I am back with the joint class related to the merge queries. If you remember, in the previous merge queries class, we studied about the joining of two tables. Now, in today's class, we will learn what the join types are and how to join two tables together. It will be a long video today, but I request you to watch the video till the end because there are lots and lots of interesting things that we are going to explore today. So we have a table 1, email, email 2, table 2. What we want to do, we will try different match criteria related to the join. What is a join? Join, as we know, will join two tables, table 1, table 2. Just a second, table 2. There are different criteria to join these two tables together. We will see these criteria in today's class. Go to from table, excuse me for this, from table 1. If you do not want to load the data, just use close and load to and use only create connection. It will not load the data in a separate Excel sheet. Email to email. So in the merge queries, we studied merge queries as new. We have two similar tables, email 1 and email 2, with the same column name so that it can efficiently identify what it looks like. Remember, you should look at the tables that you are selecting, email 1, email 2. So left outer join. What is left outer join? All from first, which is the first, this is the first, that is email 1. Matching from second, only the matching from second and all from the first will come. See how it works. Select the columns, see what happens. It returned a table, expanded. If you see, it created another table with two columns, one from email 1, where there are 12 rows from A to L, and then second from email 2, only the matching one. Email 2 does not have a@a.com, but it has B, C, E, null, 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 null. Okay, so this is join K1, kind 1. Now we will go back and do the second part. Same email 1, email 2, not just join K1 because it will confuse things. Right outer, as it says, which is on the right. If you see, this is on the right, and in join, this the second table is considered as the right. Okay, merge as new. I am going back so that you can have. It is very important. You need to focus. Now select the column right outer. What it will do, all from the second matching from first. Let's see what happens. Now second one becomes the primary table here, and the first one becomes the secondary table. Only the matching rows from the left, which are also available in email 1, are here. So let's name it as join K2. Now another one, email 1, email 2, full outer. This is very important. I will not tell you. You can look what it happens. all from the left and all from the right. For this, I need to do another class, or just wait. Let's do this so that you can understand it properly. Only connection. Let me have something which is in email 2 but not in email 1. Okay. So create set at the rate z.com. Now go back to merge 1. Now you will understand what I was saying. Refresh all. See what it did? It brings all from the left and all from the right and matched them accordingly. If they are matched, they are in front of them. If they are not matched, the other table is the null. This is called cross join. Every row with the every second row of the second column. Okay, so let's rename it as join K3. Now go back here, merge queries as new, email 2, inner only. As the name suggests, only matching rows. It will only return the matching rows. These are the common rows. What it does, it returns the common rows. If you want to identify what are the common records in two tables, you use this type of join. Okay, now how many left? Left empty. So this is the only left rows only in first. Let's see what it happens. The ones which are different in the left, which are in email 1 but not in email 2. If you want to filter email 1 to identify which rows are email 2 and you do not want to show them up, just use this type. So if you see, what is the result? ADGJK. Is ADGJK in email 2? No. So it returns only those records which are in email 1 but not in email 2. Now the last type, merge queries as new, email 2, right empty. Same, only the right table. Left is null and the right is 1. So z at z.com is the only record which is not in email 1 and it is a unique record in email 2. So this is very important to understand how the join works so that it will make your work easier and you can love your work. Thank you very much. Keep on sharing, liking, and forwarding, subscribing. Take care. Bye bye.